Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger steak. First, select high-quality ground beef, ideally with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio for the best juiciness and flavor. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1 inch thick. Avoid overworking the meat, as this can make your burgers tough. A small indentation in the center of each patty helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging in the middle. Season generously with salt and pepper. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. This is crucial for developing a delicious crust. Add just a small amount of high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Carefully place your patties in the hot skillet and sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This quick, intense heat locks in the juices and creates that desirable steak-like exterior. After achieving that beautiful sear, reduce the heat to medium-low to finish cooking the burgers through to your preferred doneness. For a medium-rare burger, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, remove the burgers from the skillet and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period is vital, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring a moist and flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked burger steak. Serve it on a lightly toasted bun with your favorite toppings. Classic choices like melted cheese, crisp lettuce, fresh tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion always enhance the experience. Don't forget a delicious sauce to tie it all together. For more great tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, be sure to look for the links and other deals in the description below. Enjoy every juicy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.